You're about to embark on a transformative journey with your new laptop, one that will change the way you work and play on the go. But have you ever asked yourself, what if this wasn't just another laptop, but a gateway to a more agile, adaptable, and efficient you? What if this device could seamlessly transform to meet your changing needs, effortlessly switching between laptop, tablet, and presentation modes? Welcome to the HP Pavilion X360 in one, a revolutionary laptop that's about to change everything. For years, we've been living in a world where laptops and tablets coexist, but at the expense of functionality, flexibility, and usability. We've had to choose between the productivity of a laptop and the portability of a tablet, often sacrificing one for the other. But what if you could have both in one device? This is where the HP Pavilion X360 in one comes in, an ingenious fusion of form and function that addresses the very fabric of our mobile computing needs. So, let's take a closer look at this masterpiece. First impressions are always important, and the HP Pavilion X360 in one makes a stylish entrance with its sleek metallic design, which exudes sophistication and elegance. This laptop's weight is evenly distributed, making it an absolute delight to carry around. The keyboard is generously sized, allowing for comfortable typing, and the trackpad is smooth and responsive. You'll appreciate the durable build quality, crafted with high-quality materials that withstand daily wear and tear. Now, let's dive deeper into the features that make this two-in-one laptop truly exceptional. Under the hood lies a powerful Intel Pentium N5000 processor, capable of clocking speeds of up to 2.7 GHz. You'll enjoy seamless performance, whether you're working on complex documents, running multiple applications, or streaming high-definition content. With 4 GB of DDR4 RAM and 128 GB SSD, storage is a breeze, and loading times are virtually non-existent. Another standout feature is the stunning 11.6-inch HD touchscreen display, showcasing vibrant colors and crisp text. This WLED backlit screen is ideal for working in bright environments and consuming multimedia content. The inclusion of Bluetooth, wireless AC, and USB 3.1C ensures seamless connectivity, letting you stream media, transfer files, or connect to peripherals with ease. But what truly sets the HP Pavilion X360 in one apart is its versatility. With a single click, you can instantly switch from laptop to tablet mode, freeing yourself from the constraints of a traditional keyboard. The touchscreen responds intuitively, offering an engaging and immersive experience, perfect for browsing the web, reading ebooks, or playing games. Whether you're in a meeting, on the commute, or relaxing in a coffee shop, this laptop adapts seamlessly to your environment, ensuring that you're always productive and entertained. Real-world testing is where the rubber meets the road, and the HP Pavilion X360 in one truly shines. I put this laptop through its paces, using it as my primary device for work, play, and everything in between. I worked on demanding projects, effortlessly switching between applications and browsing the web with the touchscreen. I streamed my favorite TV shows and movies, enjoying the vibrant visuals on the display. I even used it for a presentation at work, seamlessly switching to tablet mode to engage my audience. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons. On the plus side, this laptop's design, build quality, and features make it an absolute pleasure to use. The performance is impressive, delivering seamless multitasking, and storage is a breeze. The touchscreen experience is intuitive, and connectivity options are comprehensive. However, the display resolution could be improved, and the battery life, while respectable, may not last as long as some users might prefer. In the competitive market of two-in-one laptops, the HP Pavilion X360 in one stands out for its impressive feature set, versatility, and performance. While some competing models may boast more powerful processors or larger displays, few offer the same combination of style, functionality, and usability. So, here's the final verdict. The HP Pavilion X360 in 1 is a game-changing laptop that embodies the best of both worlds, productivity and portability. It's a worthy investment for anyone seeking a device that can adapt to their changing needs, work efficiently, and play seamlessly. If you're ready to experience the next level of mobile computing, then get ready to unleash your full potential with the HP Pavilion X360 in 1.